Welcome back to Primetime News. Send back our leader. The demand from residents of Jacques Road in Mountain View, St. Andrew, after the recent arrest of the area's community leader. The police insist the man in question is a person of interest. However, the residents are rejecting those claims. TVJ's Kirk Wright has more.
Residents of Jacques Road in St. Andrew are upset about the arrest of their community leader Everton Douglas, affectionately called Fuba. The police say Fuba was one of 3 men wanted in connection with the ongoing war in Mountain View.
We asked 2 persons to report to the police. What are those 2? They are named in the press as Michael Ewan and Rayon Thompson. We did ask them to come in. That other person was actually taken into custody on the 26th of January.
So one person is still outstanding?
2 persons have not reported. 2 persons have not reported.
That other person he's referring to is Everton Douglas, otherwise called Fuba. But Jacques Road residents have rejected the claims by the police, accusing the lawmen of making up stories to keep Fuba in their custody.
Them bring Jesus to Pilate. The Pharisees, them and the Sadducees. And Pilate say him no find no fault in the man, so them for free the man.
They say Fuba is not a man of war and that he represents freedom and justice.
I have a 15-year-old daughter. I have a certain community I'm living. I'm a grandmother already. We can't have that right here, so no child molestation around here.
How does he do that though? How does one man manage to be able to implement such strict rules and people follow them? How does he do it?
I love man. You understand me? Manners and respect and love. No force, nothing like that, no bad up, nothing like that. Just genuine love and respect.
A lot of garrison wish them have this. Yeah. Them wish them have this.
Tell me something. What is Everton doing that the police are not doing?
Well, first of all, the police them don't have no respect. When them come in here, if them are running off of the road, you want to come off of the road and go on the yard. You can't deal with people, so.
We questioned why they chose to come forward. In many communities, when a Don or area leader is locked up, a call is made from wherever he is incarcerated, and the people have to come out. And like it is now, I'm seeing all women. Isn't that the same thing that's happening here?
No, card not after me that may I come back to love.
While in the community, we saw the Assistant Chaplain for Area 4, Kevin White, and his team trying to assure residents that the security forces have their best interest at heart. We relayed the concerns of mistrust.
Well, it's something that we have to look into, how we treat with people, because people are humans, and if you approach them with a certain attitude, you're going to get a pushback.
The JLP's councillor caretaker Steve McCobby says he's concerned that Jacques Road seems to be the target of the states of emergency in East Kingston.
When the state of emergency was implemented, it was said to cover the entire Kingston Eastern Police Division. Now, I think the real problem here is why are just particular communities being targeted? What is happening with Dunkirk? Dunkirk has fall apart. Every day people are dead down there, but what? Because it's not a labor right place and it don't make the government look bad. So you come, you target this community because it traditionally supports the Jamaica Labour Party.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.